this is actually an intermediate question. Usually I'm going to give you a function. You're going to have to discover this all by yourself. Do the first derivative, second derivative, okay? Here, we're assuming we did all of that and you got the information. So what do you do with it to sketch the function? Okay. This is what you do. I'm going to organize all this information in a visually appealing, hopefully pretty appealing box. On the very left column, I'm going to put x, and then I'm going to put the first derivative, and then I'm going to put the second derivative, and then I'm going to put the function. The x here represents the number line. So we're going to start with a minus infinity. Okay, and then we're going to state all the critical numbers. So what are all the critical numbers? Negative 2. And something actually, you know, is drastically happening for the second derivative at 0, 2. So we're going to put that in order. Now I leave one space in between to represent all the numbers that are between negative 2 and 0, and all the numbers that are between negative infinity and negative 2. Okay. So that's all we have. Okay, and we fill the box. Okay, so when I say we fill the box, I mean the signs. So it says here, when x is less than negative 2, it's positive. So you put positive here, like that. It's negative here. Actually, it's undefined there. Second derivative, when it's to the left of the 0, it's negative. So you put negative here. I guess I should put infinity here, like that. Okay, are you guys okay with the way I'm filling in the box so far?
Isn't the second derivative actually it doesn't?
So now here it says it's positive here, right? So now you can forget about all this information except for perhaps this one. It's very important later. It's undefined here. Undefined, undefined. Maybe you can put vertical asymptote here. Okay? Alright. This says, okay, we gotta combine this information now. Look. This says it's positive, meaning it's going up, but it's negative for the second derivative. What does that mean? The graph is below this tangent. So it's doing, it looks like this. It's concaving down. What about here? It's going down, and it's still concaving down. Here, it's still going down, but it's concaving up. Look at this. This is clearly a local max. What is this? Look at this curvature. It changes, right? Inflection point. Wait. It will be an inflection point, except it's undefined. Right? So it's not an inflection point. Sorry. That's it. So how do you sketch this? Let's do a rough sketch. This is an asymptote, y-axis. Let's say at negative 2, they don't give us a value, so I'm just going to pick some value. Okay. And it's at 0, so it's doing this. That's what it's doing.
And shouldn't there be another critical point?
There's only two critical points, one here and one there, right? Okay. Do you understand this? How you can put all this information in a box? You're gonna get some questions like this.